Fan kayo po ba? Okay, thank you. Really? Andito doon. Hi to the Remy family. And sa lahat din ng nag-sponsors, maraming salamat sa lahat ng na-mention yan na brands. Malaking bagay sa amin na to, na tinutulungan din kami ng mga brands and yung mga fan groups of course, para mangyari itong block screening. So whatever happens today, gusto lang namin magpasalamat because we are extremely grateful. Grabe yung support na pinaparamdam nyo sa amin at sa pelikula. So, maraming salamat, katropa, from our promos hanggang ngayon na showing, hanggang sustaining, nandyan kayo. So, maraming salamat, I really appreciate it. Sa lahat ng brands na na-mention, and to my Realme family na nandito, thank you also. So now let's all welcome Alden as well. Salamat din sa pag-support sa amin.
Hello katropa, thank you so much for, of course, the support and love na binibigay niyo sa movie, and of course kay Kat and sa amin. We're very grateful for this block screening. Maraming salamat po for being part of our journey for this film. And of course, all the sponsors, thank you for making this happen. And to everyone, sino mga first time? Medyo marami din yung mga first timers. So, enjoy the rest of the film. At maraming salamat po. Sana magustuhan niyo. Thank you.
Diyan lang po, hindi lang kayo dyan. Wala akong bababa.